Hey guys, it's JayCee Chandler back again. Wanted to show you the finished product of the Sublimation step-by-step create along. Here's the keychain we created. Absolutely gorgeous. Very, very vibrant colors. If you haven't done sublimation before, you might want to try and add this to your portfolio, your jewelry or creation portfolio. You can purchase quite a few of them at a reasonably low cost and charge a very decent price. Get a good profit, but still have a low cost on these. These earrings have the beads that I got. I used some of the red beads that I got from Temu, a previous Temu haul. And if you haven't gotten these beads, guys, they are so much more pretty in person. So these are some earrings that I did during the create along. I love these vibrant colors. The paper that I used, or the pattern that I used on these, are one of my digital papers. And if you're interested, just let me know. Look at that. So I put some blue beads on that. Got some green beads on this with some brass fine finishings. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. And then I did something different. A couple of these I got. These are little hematite, blue hematite nuggets. And I also got from Temu a little while back. These are some of the blue beads, just like all the others that I just showed you. And these are some gold hematite, or these are imitation, obviously, hematite beads. Look at that. These are gorgeous. I love every single one of these. And like I said, if you haven't gotten into sublimation, you should try it. It is a game changer. It's just another good looking product that you can add to your creative portfolio. All right, guys, go be amazing. Bye.